Hey, my people, it's been a while. Dr. Rogers here. So, I'm just hopping in here to notify you that our channel is back running in full. So, there are a couple of new items we've introduced to the channel, and one of them is providing lectures to undergraduate students, masters, and PhD. So, currently, now we have a series of undergraduate course on biochemistry. So, and one of the teachers we have is Bertrand, who is a graduate from the University of Boya, very good student and excellent graduate from his class. So he's currently delivering some ongoing lectures. And if you're also a teacher or someone who can teach for free, meaning volunteer, why not hop in? Let's build the channel, let's grow together and provide our talent to people out there who just want to learn but do not have the resources. And meanwhile, we are still providing advice on scholarships, admissions, how to apply for jobs, and all of that. So stay tuned and make sure you do subscribe. Ciao.